This is a 2009 Chevy Silverado, and my dims went out. One went out, and maybe a few weeks later the other one went out. I couldn't figure out what it was, and I looked on the internet, couldn't find any videos of what the problem was. I even looked at did some searches, couldn't find anything. So I had to figure it out on my own, and it wasn't too hard. But what I did was I bought a new bulb, like probably most people, thinking that it was, the bulb blew out, and then I put a new bulb in, didn't work. So wasn't none of that. So I got my tester out and I tested it, and what it is the connection. So this is probably, the one if you got to move something. You don't have to move nothing on the other side, but this one here, just move this air box. It just got a couple snaps on the bottom. I don't know if I can pull it out with one hand. Maybe I can't. Yeah, it's got a snap there and a snap there. You gotta kind of undo, snap it back in, and then you can get to the headlight, the connector down there. You undo that, and I use this ignition cleaner right here, and cleaned everything out, and did it on both lights there, and my dim headlights, both of them work now. So if you're running into that problem, that's probably your problem there, but I have problems with tail lights doing the same thing, corrosion. So what other problem is making them corrode? I don't know what it is. Moisture, I guess. Anyway, that's how I fixed it. Thanks for watching.